7521. We have a daily chart on that S&P 500, and we're going to go back to this very date that we are 512, and we popped. We have all the live videos. We came down, we did the double bottom, and then you can see here where the diamonds are popping in the app that we built, and their algorithms, of course, and whatnot, and consolidated, and then we broke out. And then we only had right here in that volatility hook was at a couple few days. That pullback happened and started at 615, then it traveled on down. And as we can see it, we can see where the bottom was 618. Yes, at 41.65. And thereafter, what they did, it went parabolic up, exactly that. And we can see it very clearly how these diamonds are popping up, and the diamonds are popping up. Then there, big pop with the diamonds, and bam, and that's your directional trend. And that was done with high frequency algorithm machines selling people's order flow and then getting these kinds of movement. So you have to have very cautionary, because my first target was 33.50, as everyone knows, okay? And we went up to 43.55.43. Yes, we did. And we got no pullback, because when we look in the IR column, that IR was on 100. Then it would dip a little bit, but it just stayed on 100. And we have all the historical data of how strong that our indicator, IR indicator that we made, tells us how strong the move is, and it did not get a pullback. And each line on the daily is 9.97, and you could see the kind of breakout because each line is that. So just round it up to $10. You can see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of here. You can see the diamonds popping. Then look what they did: gap it, pop it. You can see the highs closing up on the highs, closing up on the highs, closing up on the highs where the diamonds are. Okay, and that's how they left that 52-week high on this S&P 500. So the cautionary tone that I'm giving is that you can only go parabolically up. We did have that pullback, and that pullback isn't even a month old. And they hit my target of 43.50, and they went 5 points above it, as they did. And so, and the bid and ask was 43.52 by, that was it right there. That was the ask. So here we are, my friends, up at the top of the channel. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Get in on the next move. Understand market conditions and directional patterns and price movement that either makes it for you or loses for you. So that is with all of us, and we're here to empower you. So once again, sign up for the free 5-day trial. Let's develop a relationship that I feel would be satisfactory, but much higher than that.